Hues, a revolutionary natural dye that will change the way you color your clothes forever. BMF is the raw material of the instant tea manufacturing process. 40 metric tons of BMF produced every day at Unilever's Agrapatana facility is first filtered. The byproduct is segregated, then evaporated, and subsequently spray dried to obtain the base ingredient for making tea dye in powder form. This entire process is carried out at Unilever's CT Instant Tea Plant in Agrapatana. This tea dye is then transformed into color palettes according to customer requirement, which is done using a proportion of between 0 and 5% of synthetic chemicals to make tea hues. Normally, when using synthetic dyes, the total greenhouse gas emission per 1 kilogram of fabric dyeing in terms of CO2 equivalent could be as high as 2,287 grams for acid dyeing and 1,855 grams for reactive dyeing. By switching to natural dyes, the CO2 equivalent is reduced by 34% and 76% respectively. These carbon footprint savings have been verified by Control Union, a globally renowned certification organization. This saving is made possible by the work carried out by Slintec. By utilizing a byproduct as a source of natural dye, Slintec has been able to reduce the collective requirement of steam, electricity, chemicals, etc. required to dye per 1 kg of fabric, which would otherwise have been higher if synthetic dyes are used. All this puts Tea Hues at the forefront of the sustainability drive in terms of carbon footprint, helping to carve its own place among the dyes of the world as the flag bearer of truly sustainable alternatives. Tea Hues, naturally vibrant.